Today I'm gonna show you how you can get a clean list of thousands of leads in just a couple minutes, absolutely for free. If you're a freelancer, an agency or a marketer, and if you're looking for new clients, then this video is for you. I will not only show you how to get the contact information of thousands of leads completely for free, but I will also show you how to automate the whole process using ChatGPT. I want to let you know that most people out there won't show you these strategies for free. And all I'm asking for is like this video and subscribe to the channel if you learned anything new. More than 82% of people watching this video are not subscribed yet, and we want to change that. And if you're done with liking this video and subscribing to the channel, we can finally move on to the basics. What actually are leads? In this case, we're talking about cold leads. And cold leads are potential clients to your business. So everyone who fits your niche or your target market, and everyone who you actually have a contact information from. So if you have an email address of a dentist in UK and that's your target market, then this dentist is a lead for your business. Our goal is to get as many potential leads as possible into a list, including their contact information, for example, emails, phone numbers, Instagram links, or anything similar. Just a way for us to reach out to them. So in the best case, the lead list consists of your ICP and has contact information in them so we can reach out to them. And now that that's out of the way, let me show you how you can actually get all those leads. Because you liked it the last time, we will use the same example as in our recent videos. So now we're going to search for local businesses, and in this case, we're searching for dentists. Now we're searching for dentists in Las Vegas, for example. This works with any niche, with any market, and with any city or country you're looking for. You just need to adjust the strategy. The most important part we want to make sure is that we're seeing potential leads on the screen as well as some contact information about them. So for example, as I'm looking for dentists in Las Vegas for whatever reason, because they are my target audience and my client, Thresher Orthodontist with this phone number and this address is perfect to me. And we want to make sure that we're seeing a lot of these entries on one single page. So what we do is we simply go ahead, do Command A, Command C to copy the whole page because we don't want to do this manually. Then we switch over to ChatGPT. We're gonna place this exact prompt into ChatGPT followed by the content we just copied. Don't worry, this exact prompt will be available to you in the description, so you can simply copy and paste it. You can also adjust the prompt if you don't need all the columns which I put there, then you can adjust the columns as well. So what we did now is to give ChatGPT a task and also the content of the whole web page we just saw. So it's gonna clean out that list and sort all of the leads correctly into a sheet for us. And then we can also ask it to create a CSV which we can download, and then we simply put it to Google Sheets or something similar. So as you can see, just with less than 1 minute of work, we can have 30 leads already in this list. And as said, you can adjust this to any business, any market, any niche, any vertical your company is looking for. So here in this case, we have 32 leads already. This is a perfect lead list if you are looking to talk to dentists in Las Vegas. And this is not where it stops. So what we can simply do is go ahead on page number 2 and do the exact same thing. We're scrolling once, so we have all the information, and we go Control A, Control C, and put everything to ChatGPT. Continue with those. There we go. Copy paste. Add this whole thing, and then most of the time it will start at 1 again. You can simply tell ChatGPT not to start at the beginning, but to just continue where it left off. And in this case, it was smart enough, so as you can see, it's just pushing out those leads. In just a couple of seconds, we're now at 45 leads with valid phone numbers, addresses, and the name of the company if we're searching for dentists in Las Vegas. All right, let's do another example. Let's do car detailers in New York. And we simply go ahead, search for car detailers in New York. This is especially helpful if you are looking to call those leads, if you're looking to do cold calls, or if you're locally available to go ahead and simply visit those stores because we have their address and find someone you can talk to who has some decision-making power. In those cases, you most probably will have the best results if you go there physically yourself. All right, so I think you understood how it works. You can use the same prompt and just put in any information you want. This is not just working with Yellow Pages, and I will show you now how we can not only find their phone numbers, but also their Instagram links and also their email addresses. So in the next step, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Google and we're gonna input site Instagram dentist.com, and then we put in quotation marks what we are looking for. We are looking for dentist, and where are we looking for them? We are looking for dentists in London in this case. And this is what we're gonna give to the Google search, and then let's see what comes up. There is one thing you have to keep in mind. This strategy worked better in the past, and it does not work as well anymore right now, or at least it's a little bit more effort. Why? Google removed the continuous scrolling. If you go to Google right now on your desktop, you will see you cannot just scroll continuously and Google will load new search results. This was the case for the past few years, and it was amazing for us because we could simply scroll, have all this information, and copy paste everything once and get a huge ass lead list. This does not work anymore because Google removed that feature globally. Now you need to go page by page again. I really like that feature, but Google was overwhelmed apparently with the amount of things it needs to preload, so they rolled this back. However, this should not stop us at all. So if you do site instagram.com dentist London, we will see a clean list of all Instagram accounts who are dentists in London. And we can do the same thing. We simply go copy paste. We go to ChatGPT. You can simply create a new conversation with ChatGPT. If you have a new lead list, you go ahead, copy my prompt, paste it, then you copy and paste the text we just copied from Google, input it, and press enter, and everything will be done for you like magic. One more tip for everyone who's watching this far in the video: you have to use Paste. Go to the Mac App Store and get Paste for yourself. If you're working on Mac, this is life-changing. I'm using it since years. I sadly don't get any money from them. However, if you go to Paste, you will have a history of your clipboard, as you can see here, and you can simply copy and paste whatever you want from the history of your clipboard. There's a bunch of other features as well, but this is a game changer. I cannot work without this anymore since years. So have a look on Paste. If you're working with your computer, trust me, you will love this. Okay, that was enough free sauce. As you can see, we only got 5 Instagram accounts from this first Google search. However, what we can do is simply go ahead, thanks to Paste, go to the second page, copy paste, and then go to the third page immediately, copy paste, not really paste, I mean Command A and copy, Command A, copy, and then we go back to ChatGPT and just open our history and copy paste all of these different texts which we copied before into this ChatGPT conversation, and it will be smart enough to make a big ass lead list from that. You just leave it running for a couple seconds and it will do the job. So now I showed you how you can get phone numbers to call those people, and now I showed you also how to get Instagram accounts to text them or send them a DM on Instagram. All of this so far works manually. We automatically collect the lead information from here and we manually have to contact those people. However, what if we also want to have the emails so we can do an automated cold email outreach campaign to those people? What we can do then is simply add another quotation mark at gmail.com, for example, and then Google will show us all of the dentists in London who also have a Gmail email address in their account. And the same thing, we simply go and paste this to ChatGPT and it should do the same thing over and over and over again. And as you can see, this is not fully done for you, and this is not how to get 10,000 leads gifted to yourself. This obviously requires a little bit of work, a little bit of research, but all of this is free. Imagine doing this for an hour or two and you know where to look for. You can easily get thousands of leads in just 1 or 2 hours of work with this strategy. And you can get creative for your niche, for your market, for the things you're looking for. Maybe you only need emails, maybe you only need phone numbers, or you only need Instagram names, or you need all of those. And there is another really crazy trick is you can simply go to clay.com and enrich that data with LinkedIn profiles or websites, or scrape websites based on the company name, all this beautiful stuff. So there's a bunch of things you can do from here. However, I wanted to make this easy and simple and just show you how you can get phone numbers, emails, and Instagram names for any leads out there you're looking for. And you can do this over and over, rinse and repeat until you have the amount of leads you need. And this does not only work with local businesses, it works equally well with online businesses. Let's say, for example, we're not searching for dentists, but we're searching for fitness coaches. Boom. site Instagram, fitness coach, and there you go. You have all of those beautiful entries, fitness coaches on Instagram. And this is big accounts because there's an unlimited number of fitness coaches on Instagram. So you can literally go ahead and go through every single page, Command A, copy and paste it to ChatGPT and create your lead list. And in the end, you can simply ask it to create a CSV which you can download, and then you can upload it to Google Sheets, and from there contact every single one on that lead list until you get a new client. And to make it simple, this is everything you need to know. From here, I want you to get creative, find the right strategy for your business. If you don't know how to adjust the strategies I showed you to your business or to your target audience, leave a comment down below with your example and I might pick it up in the next video. So I'm always looking for good examples to use for all of you guys. So put in the comments your industry, your market, or your offer, and I will see if I can adjust to any of your offers in the next videos, so you have even more value with the videos we are creating for you. So now we know how to get unlimited leads for any business in any location and for whatever you're looking for with emails, phone numbers, or Instagram accounts. You can do the same thing with Twitter accounts. You can do the same thing with LinkedIn accounts. You simply need to change the wording or the site, which is Instagram.com. Simply replace it with x.com and you will find the same niches and target audiences on Twitter, and so on and so on. I showed you the rough fundament and I want you to get creative and show me what you can do with this strategy. Now we have a big list of leads. What do we need to do to get them as our new clients? So first of all, you have a lead list which you need to qualify. You can use keywords, or you can use the descriptions, or you can use whatever you want to qualify those leads. If you're just starting off or if you're a beginner, you can obviously just visit every single Instagram account, see if they fit your target audience and send them a message and get them onto a conversation, and then slowly show them your offer and tell them what you can do for them and how you are actually solving a problem for those people. So for example, if you are building AI voice callers or AI receptionists, go and talk to those dentists, ask them how much money they're spending per month just for booking appointments on the phone, and then show them your solution, how you can save them 80% of their time or 80% of their money, or how you can book more appointments on behalf of them. So you need to find and fix a problem your target audience has. And with these lead lists is how it all begins. So you have a lead list first, then you need to do outreach to them. This can be cold emails, it can be cold DMs, it can be cold calling, it can be LinkedIn connection, it can be whatever. You can use multiple ways, and these usually tend to work better. If you target the same person on Instagram and send them an email, the chance of them replying or seeing your message is twice as high. So I would always advise to do that. As said, you can do all of these things manually. You can call them manually, send a manual email, and also send them a DM on Instagram manually. However, this channel is all about automation. So what I would do with a lead list like this is I would further filter them. So I would pre-qualify them by finding the right lead information. I have linked a video where I show how to do exactly that somewhere on the screen right now, so go ahead and click there if you don't know what that is. This was a really good example how you can scrape Instagram leads and then filter them with keywords and then send them a message, fully automated and personalized. And all of this is in that video, so be sure to click on that as well. For example, what I would do is a cold email campaign. For cold email campaigns, we always have used instantly.ai. I also have some videos on how to send personalized cold emails to exactly those lead lists. And I would definitely also go and send automated cold DMs to those people where I have an Instagram account for. So you can simply go ahead, use that lead list you just created, upload it to a tool like AutoIGDM Pro, and then from there, the tool will automatically text those leads on behalf of you and start a conversation. If you have your cold email and your cold DM campaigns automated and running, for example, using Instantly and AutoIGDM, the only thing you need to do is to put more leads on top of the funnel, and then from there everything else should be automated. Your only task from there should be closing those deals, talking to those potential customers, finding out what they actually need, and then helping those with the biggest need who also have the money to pay you for your service and for your product. And if you don't know how to scrape, message and contact people on Instagram fully on autopilot, watch this video which I've linked just here. And as always, big thank you for watching this whole video. If you learned something new, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.